Hey guys, Mohammed here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to unarchive messages on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Messenger here, and if you know that there is specific message that you've archived and you want to get it back, you want to be able to message this person again and continue that conversation, you can go to all of your archived message list by tapping on your profile icon at the very top left here, and then you can see midway down in archived chat. So I will tap on that and this will show me all of the archived messages on Messenger. To unarchive them, we just sweep to the left on any of these and we can tap that on archive message and I can go back here. Let's go back out of there and you can see now that message is back to my original chat screen and message of the person, and go back and forth and interact with him again. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today and I'll see you on the next one.